In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom roles in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Custom roles are really helpful when you want to control exactly what different team members can see and do in your file. Maybe you have someone who only needs to work with estimates, or another person who should handle bills but not run payroll. Setting up a custom role lets you fine-tune that access so your data stays both secure and easy to work with. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. From any screen, look toward the upper right-hand corner for the gear icon. Go ahead and click that, then from the menu that opens, choose Manage Users. This is where you control who can get into your QuickBooks and what they can do once they're there. Inside Manage Users, you'll land on the Users tab by default. Along the top, you'll see another tab labeled Roles. Click on the Roles tab. This area is dedicated to permission templates, which you can assign to multiple users later, so you don't have to configure permissions from scratch every time. Now, to create a new custom role, click the Add Role button. This opens a setup window for the role you're about to build. At the top, you'll see fields for the role name and an optional description. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for your team, something like Estimator Role or AP Specialist. In the description box, you can briefly explain what this role is meant to do, which is especially useful if multiple admins manage users. Next comes the most important part, setting permissions. You'll see different sections such as sales, expenses, lists, bookkeeping, and possibly others depending on your features. Open each section you care about, and you'll notice checkboxes for actions like View, Create, Edit, and Delete. This is where you decide exactly how much control this role should have. For example, under Sales, you might give full access to estimates and invoices if this person needs to manage customer transactions from start to finish. Under Expenses, you can allow them to record bills or submit expense claims, but maybe you restrict the ability to delete transactions to keep your records clean. As you turn some permissions on, QuickBooks may suggest related access, such as enabling certain lists that those sales forms depend on. Review these suggestions carefully and only approve what makes sense. If your company uses locations, you can also specify which locations this role can access, adding another layer of control over who sees what. Once you've gone through each relevant section and you're satisfied with the setup, click Save Role. Your custom role is now ready to be assigned to users, helping you keep your QuickBooks organized, secure, and tailored to how your team actually works.